freaking hate, like, warnings. Oh my god, my arm's gonna go to sleep. Derek, my arm's gonna go to sleep. No.
Walk down there. Just like traveling all over the place. Okay, we're out in front of them. Now, that would be a great video if you get run over in the last second of your video.
Yeah, it's like, oh god. Oh yeah, I gotta get this car that's coming right now. I wanna rock in. Dang it, now it's still in my head.
Still haven't seen your vehicle with the flames coming out of it.
I don't know where it's at. Or not flames out of it, I want that one with the flames on the car. I've already seen that one like 7 times. I'm talking about that one with the flames on it who has the wheelie bar on the back.
Okay. I haven't seen that one go by in a while.
I know, that's why I'm wondering if it went. Watch us pass it.
I'm too good for your video.
Watch us pass it.
I know.
I'm gonna get so freaking angry. I'd beat somebody to the ground.
There's like no one on this side. We like put hacky sack on the side of the road.
No, we can.
No one parks on this side. They go around. Which would be kind of bad if you like actually flown hacky sack.